Howdy folks, I'm Alan Butler with Butler Contracting. Today we're talking about automatic gate openers, and I want to talk to you a little bit about some of the options out there, but the most common one we get asked about are solar gate operators. And we just want to kind of talk about the differences of different kinds of solar gate operators, and also kind of what the price might be to put one of these darn things in, because we get asked that all the time. So kind of go over a few bullet points here of pricing, and what the different options are, and how we can help you get the right one for you. So basically to start out with, there's some different types of solar gate operators out there. So we've got some good ones that we like to use called Liftmaster or Patriot. Those are really good brands. There's another brand out there that's costs a little bit less. It's called Mighty Mule. And we get asked about these all the time. And we typically see a lot of calls for service for these as well because they're breaking down all the time. So we don't really recommend and don't like to use the Mighty Mule gate operator systems. Personally, we won't install them. We've installed them in the past. There's always issues with them. We get calls about them breaking down all the time. If you get a good one, hold on to the thing. But we've even taken them out of the box brand new. We've had circuit boards and transmitters and things bad on them. We've had to call the manufacturer to get new parts sent to us, brand new out of the box. So I definitely recommend steering away from those products. I know they're very appeasing to most clients because the price points of those are a little bit better sometimes, but they really come with a lot of issues in my experience. Secondarily, the Patriot and the Liftmaster are really great products, and we like both of them. They both have a little bit of differences, but Liftmaster has a really great warranty. They're really well known for their garage doors and other access controls. Patriot's also a really good name brand. So either one of those, I don't feel you can go wrong. It doesn't really matter so much. They're pretty comparable in price. So either one, it's really a matter of what your preference is. Some people are brand loyal to Liftmaster, some folks aren't. What I will say is when we do an install, everybody asks us, how much is this going to cost me? Well, that's a great question. So gate operator systems for us, typically, they're going to run about the $5,200 range installed. And what that's going to include is that's going to include all the components that you need for a solar gate operating system. Assuming that you already have a gate, or if you don't have a gate, we can get you a gate. That'll be an additional cost. So installed price, you're looking at right around $5,200 typically to get this system set up. What that's going to include is remotes, potentially keypads. It's going to include the control arm and all the components, the solar panel, the battery, the motor, all the operating system, as well as us fully installing it, programming everything, getting it all set up to be functional for you. So as far as the gate operator systems go, $5,200 or so to get you a good quality one. All of our gate operator systems that we install have a 2-year parts and labor warranty on our end, and then whatever the manufacturer warranty is beyond that. And those vary based on supplier from where we get it. Now, we also have a American Fence Association trained installers. So our team is trained to install these gate operator systems. Our guys have taken training and classes through the American Fence Association and gotten certifications. So we're experts in what we're doing. We know how to troubleshoot and go through the process correctly and get it installed to the manufacturer recommendations and specifications. We can also design gate systems and gate operator systems for you. Our guys have training in that as well. So if you're looking to get your next gate operator installed, if you like a new one, maybe you want to upgrade that Mighty Mule that you're having trouble with, give us a call at 8446-BUTLER. Or check out our website at butler.contractors/fencing, and we'll look forward to seeing you on your next project.